Me name Kayla. Me 17 and me nah even try fi sugarcoat nothing. This story messy, toxic and full of straight disrespect, so if you're sensitive, skip no. But if you love drama, make sure you subscribe, like and share, cause me about to tell you how me nearly mash up me whole life over one boy. Me live in a Montego Bay and life did normal. School, friends, liquor vibes, till one new boy transfer come. Him named Jaden, and from the first day him step in at the classroom, every gal neck nearly broke fi watch him. Him tall, clean, confident, but something bout him energy did off, like him know him could get any gal him want and him enjoy it. My best friend Tiana clock him first, like always. She loud and fast fi jump on anything new, and she come to me same day whispering say she like him bad, acting like she already in love. And me just laugh it off like it was nothing. But truth is, me notice him too. Me just never loud bout it. Things start small. Him ask me fi pen, crack joke with me, start sit closer in a class. Then come the texting, late night chatting, little flirting, and me stupid self entertain it, even though me know me friend like him. Me coulda stop it early, but me never, and that a where the problem really start. Every day Tiana come tell me how she a plan fi talk to him, how she think him look pan her, how she feel like them woulda cute together. And me just dead listening like one fake friend, nodding and smiling. Whole time me phone a light up with messages from the same boy she a dream bout. The guilt start creep in, but me push it aside, cause me like the attention. Me nah go lie, it feel good fi be chosen, especially when everybody else want him. One evening after school, me and Jaden walk go the beach side, just talking and laughing, and him start get serious. Him look pan me and say him not interested in a nobody else, and me him want. And me heart start race, cause me know say if me say yes, everything change. Me still bring up Tiana name, hoping him would have stepped back, but him just brush it off like she no matter. And that should have been me warning sign, but me ignore it and step deeper in the mess. From that point, we start link up in secret after school, behind bleachers by the seaside, texting all night like two fool. And every day it get harder for face Tiana, knowing what me I do. She start trust me even more, telling me everything, saying she really like him, even saying she feel like him different. And that line hit me hard because me know the truth and still keep quiet. Me start feel like two different person, one loyal friend in a daytime and one sneaky liar behind the scenes, and the pressure start build up heavy. But before me could even fix it, everything explode one Friday after school. Me and Jaden they behind the bleachers laughing and getting too comfortable, and out of nowhere me hear me name. Me freeze same time cause me know that voice. When me turn, Tiana standing right there, face stiff, eyes full of hurt and anger. Nobody couldn't say nothing at first, just pure silence. Then she asked me if it tell her say not what it looked like, but me couldn't answer fast enough, and that silence tell her everything. She snap, start cuss, call me fake, call me snake, and me deserve every word. She say whole time she had trust me behind her back with the same boy, and she laugh one bitter laugh we sound more like pain. Me try explain, but there was nothing for explain. Me wrong, simple. She walk off, and just like that, me lose me best friend. From that day, school get awkward. People start notice, rumors spread fast, everybody a talk, and me couldn't even defend myself because deep down, me know say them right. But it get worse because just when me think me at least have Jaden, reality slap me hard. 2 weeks later, me get message from one random gal asking if me a him gal, and me say yes, confident, only for she send picture of them together kissing up like me never exist. Me feel sick. everything spin. All this time, him a play both me and Tiana like we stupid. When me confront him say it wasn't serious, like everything a joke, like me feelings are nothing. And that moment, me realize say me really play myself. Me lose me best friend for a boy we never rate me. Me cut him off same time. No drama, no second chance, just done. Because some people only come for teach you a lesson, not stay in your life. After that, me have to face the real damage, me and Tiana. It take courage, but me finally go talk to her. No excuse, no lie, just truth. Me tell her me mess up, me selfish and me sorry, not because him turn out trash, but because me hurt her. She never forgive me quick, but she listen, and that was enough to start. No, we're not fully back how we used to be, but we are try, slow, one step at a time. And me learn something real from all of this. Attention can fool you, feelings can blind you, but betrayal always have consequence. No boy, especially one where full of lies, should ever come between real friendship, because at the end of the day, him move on easy, while we left with the pain. So if you reach this far, big up yourself. Remember to like, subscribe and share, because trust me, may have more story way even crazier than this.